Hello friends, welcome back to Cad Practice. Today we are going to construct a simple part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch and we will start from the XY plane. Here we are going to take the line command, select this point and make a straight line first. Now make the profile, this, here, 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 one line here and here. Okay, now escape. Now here you can see this profile straight. Okay, now this is having a movement and this is also having a movement. Go to dimension. First define this total as 35 mm. Okay, now escape. Now here drag this upside. Now go to dimension. Define this line a height of 7 mm. Now define this as 20 mm. So due to this will be automatically defined as 8 mm. Okay. Now here we'll define the other dimensions. Define this as 8 mm. Define this also as 8 mm and define this from the center. Okay. Now escape. Now it is becoming an over constrained sketch. Select this, delete, go to dimension. Now define this from center. Now you can see you can define this as 9 point. We'll define it as 9.5 mm. Okay. Now this is fully constrained. Finish sketch. Here take the revolve command and select this as axis of rotation. Now press OK. Now select this top face, go to create sketch, rotate the view, take here circle command and from the center point make a circle here of diameter 24, make one circle here of diameter 10, go to line command, make the joining profile here, similarly make one joining profile here, go to tangent constraint, select this, select this, select this and select this, select this circle, select this line, select this circle, select this line, go to dimension, define the center to center distance here as 16 mm and escape. Now you can see this circle have moved downside. So we'll click here on horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point and escape. So this is fully constrained. Now take here trim this circle, select this profile and this profile and escape. Okay. Now go to circle command. From this center point make a circle of diameter 4 and finish sketch. Take extrude, select this profile, select this middle profile and here flip the direction, go to join and here we'll take a extrude of 4 mm and press OK. Okay. Now select this top face, go to create sketch, rotate the view, take a circle command here or first go to rectangle, take a 2-point center rectangle, select this point and make a rectangle profile, go to dimension, define here the width of 9 and the height of 6 and here take the circle command, from the center point make a circle here. Okay. Now here go to trim this profile, trim this profile. Okay. Trim this inner, this profile. Okay. This and here trim this and this. Okay. Go to dimension, define this radius as 3.65 mm. Go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select this point. Okay, similarly select this point and select this point. Go to dimension, define this also as 3.65 radius. Now this is fully constrained. Finish sketch, take extrude, take here cut, and here we will take all. So this will be a through cut. Now press OK. Now here select this corner, take here chamfer, take here a chamfer of 1.5 mm and apply. Now take a chamfer of 2 mm and click on this bottom and OK. Okay, go to home. Now select this edge, take here fillet, take here a fillet radius of 0.5 mm and press OK. Now we will define the appearance. From here I have taken here the caded blue, so I'll click caded blue here. Okay, so this will be the final output. This was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D model using the Autodesk Inventor revolve command. I hope you liked the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.